Hello my friends, it is so nice to see you after some time. I hope you are very well and creative. This is a special occasion because I want to present to you this brand new fantasy coloring book that I published on Amazon. That's the English version and it is also in Spanish. Let me show you some of the contents. Right now, for the launch period, it is at a very affordable price. Soon, once the launch is over, it will go up. I want to ask you that if you do decide to order it, please, once you get it, write an honest review, 5-star of course, since that is what makes it a success or not on the Amazon store. Thank you in advance. I will leave you the links under the video in case you want to order it. And in a few weeks, I will be publishing some tutorials with examples of techniques of how to color them. Take care, and I'll see you soon.